This is Valerine here. I'm in my 3R home garden. Now I came out this morning and something has been digging in my cucumber patch again. See that hole there? They took out my cucumber yesterday. This morning again took out some of my cucumber plants. So I have decided to net the whole area. The only problem is I ran out of spikes to keep my netting in the ground. This netting I have from I was in the city. I used it to cover my strawberries so the birds wouldn't get to my strawberries. So now I'm reusing the netting I used in the city. That's why I call my garden a 3R home garden, because I reuse, I recycle, and I reduce waste. Okay, so anyways, let's get back to the spikes, because I ran out of spikes to keep the netting into the ground. And this is what I did. I actually just got some wire that I had lying around, and I think it probably is about 8 or 10 gauge wire. I'm not 100% sure. And my trusty cutting tool, and I cut pieces of wire long enough so that I could bend the wire into U shape to make spikes to actually keep the netting into the ground. So I make the spikes, and then I basically just put it through the netting and push it down into the ground. There we go. And they keep the netting firmly in place. So if this garden tip helps, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so you can be the first to be notified of new videos with garden ideas, home ideas, and tell somebody about my channel. You take care and walk good.